What is a PAC? A programmable automation controller, or PAC, is a term that loosely describes any type of automation controller that incorporates higher level instructions. PACs make it possible to provide more complex instructions to automated equipment, enabling many of the same capabilities as PC-based control systems, but in an all-in-one package like a PLC. Many higher-end PLCs with increased capabilities are often marketed as PACs. There are several advantages to using PACs. They operate using a single platform in multiple domains, such as logic, motion, drives, and process control. Complex and changing requirements can be met with little additional cost. Modular designs make expansion easier. Networking and communication capabilities can link disparate systems and provide more accurate and timely data. And the total system cost is lower because the integrated hardware and software are less expensive and integration time is reduced. PACs are adept at monitoring and controlling a large number of inputs and outputs, such as in a large processing plant or a complex automation system. They offer more connectivity options and broader control while maintaining smaller packaging and durability for environmental stresses and shock. If you like this information on PACs, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. For general information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching.